Looks like we have some non-processables coming through. Did you see that spark?
Keep monitoring the density levels.
Water flow is stable at 20 liters per second.
Acknowledged. We can increase the drum speed now.
The moisture levels look good.
Yeah, the new dryer settings are working perfectly. We need to increase the flow rate on the clear glass stream.
Adjusting the gate now, confirming the change.
Make sure the brown stream is diverted correctly to silo 4.
The massive pulping vats churn continuously, transforming the sorted paper into a thick slurry.
The optical sorters are running at 95% efficiency today.
That's a new record for this shift.
Check the tension on gauge 4. It's reading a little high.
Adjusting now. Looks stable.
We're seeing consistent tension across the web.
Good. Maintain speed until the splice.
The tensile strength on the paper samples is higher than expected.
Yes, and the XRF results confirm the alloy composition. My count is showing a discrepancy in section C.
Let me see. Let me see. I got the same thing here.
Once the materials clear quality control, our dedicated team ensures every container is certified and ready for transport.
Look at the data here. We need to optimize the sealing mechanism on line 3.
I see it. I'll recalibrate the robotic arm.
The recycled composite material is holding up well.
Yes, the sealing process is flawless at this speed.
Keep the flow moving. We need these bales on the conveyor by 10.
Copy that. Almost clear. Copy that, Charlie. We're clear for the next shipment. Keep the line moving. All clear on this side. Send the next one down. Copy that. Moving it now. Watch the left side. Okay, placing it now.
Keep coming straight. Watch your left side. Okay, set it down now. Next truck is ready.
This display really shows the full life cycle.
It's incredible what we can recover now. The team did excellent work this quarter.